How the hell we all doing? Click for the doorway too. We're doing one of those reviews you love oh so much. Today is Friday, October 10th, 2025. We're gonna be doing a 5-piece out of Ireland called God Alone. They have a few records out, at least one other one also on Prosthetic. This album is called The Beep Test. It's a really goddamn interesting mix of electronic, metallic, hardcore, and MathRock kind of mixed all together. There's a lot of noise rock elements on this as well too. Let's kind of listen to it and enjoy it together. I'm really digging this record. It's 9 tracks long. We are going to start with the first track, which is The Beep Test. Again, God Alone out of Ireland. Here we go. Like I said, this is going to be an adventure and a journey. It mixes so many different layers and elements. This band is freaking great. Second record from Prosthetic today that's just really impressing the hell out of me. Again, God Alone, The Beep Test. It's out today on CD and digital through Prosthetic, the 5 pieces from Ireland. We're going to jump into track number 3. It's called Tony Gawk. Here we go. Like I said, it's an ultimate mindfuck of a music album, and the vocals are crazy. The music is nutso. The MathRock kind of noise rock elements really work well with the electronic movements and just the flat out kind of, metallic overtones as well too. We're going to listen to a bit of track number 5. It's called Hold Tight. Here we go.
Light is fading, keeps on raining, while I'm waiting on you. Time's escaping, suffocating. What this is, I don't know. Running from, I always run to you. What are you hiding from? I always hide from you.
Like I said, there's weird dancey electro moments on this as well too, man. It's a really goddamn interesting record. I love the noise rock and the goddamn math rock mixed together with the metallic overtones for sure. Let's listen to another song off of God Alone, band out of Ireland. The album is called The Beep Test. We're going to go to track number 8. It's called Rubber Hands, and we'll probably close that with that. Good taste of God Alone and their brand new record, The Beep Test, out on Prosthetic Records today, CD and digital. It reminds me a lot of Dance Gavin Dance and I guess Electric Callboy is what they're called now. They used to be called something very different. But anyway, they give me vibes of that. If you dig this kind of stuff, like electronic, hardcore noise, math rock, kind of all mixed together with a metallic overtone. Check this out. I listened to a bit of the record before this, and it's really interesting too. Again, if you like this kind of stuff, I will leave links to their Bandcamp and social media. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe to The Doorway 2 on Instagram, YouTube, Rumble, and BitChute. Till next time, this is your old buddy Clint from The Doorway 2. I will see you.